how can you uninstall the Wombo Dream application from your mobile phone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to uninstall the Wombo Dream application, you just simply have to find out the application into your device and select it for a while. Then you are gonna directly see this uninstall button. Now you can just simply tap to uninstall and uninstall this Wombo Dream application. But if you can't get this type of option, you will just simply have to open your Play Store or the App Store and then search for Wombo Dream AI art generator. Then open this application from Play Store and you are gonna see this uninstall and open button. Now in order to uninstall the application, you will just simply have to tap to uninstall in here and tap to uninstall again in order to uninstall the application. Then after doing this very easy step, you can easily uninstall Wombo Dream from your mobile phone. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.